preamble contains the basic elements or the fundamental features of our Constitution. Consequently, amending power cannot be used so as to destroy or damage these basic features mentioned in the preamble. It was urged that preamble cannot be amended as it is not a part of the Constitution. The Supreme Court, however, held that the preamble is a part of the Constitution and therefore on this point of Veruberry opinion was wrong. On the question whether the preamble can be amended, the majority held that since the preamble is the part of the Constitution, it can be amended but subject to this condition that the basic features in the preamble cannot be amended. The court said the edifice of our Constitution is based upon the basic elements mentioned in the preamble. If any of these elements are removed, the structure will not survive and it will not be the same Constitution or it cannot maintain its identity. The preamble declares that the people of India resolve to constitute their country into a sovereign democratic republic. No one can suggest that these words and expressions are ambiguous any manner and amending power cannot be interpreted so as to confer power on the parliament to take away any of these fundamental and basic characteristics of policy. It is submitted that this view of the court is correct. The amending power cannot change the Constitution in such a way that it ceases to be a sovereign democratic republic. It can only be done by wrecking Constitution. 42nd Amendment and the Preamble. The amendment has inserted three new words in the preamble: secularism, socialism, and integrity. These concepts were already implicit in the Constitution. The amendment merely spells out clearly these concepts in the preamble. Socialism is implicit in the preamble and the directive principle of the Constitution. The term economic justice in the preamble denotes nothing but India's resolve to bring socio-economic revolution. The directive principles, particularly Article 39B and C of the Constitution, are charters of social and economic liberties of the people. The word socialism has, however, no definite meaning. It has been invariably used in both the types of constitutions, democratic and communistic. Generally, the term implies a system of government in which the means of production is wholly or partially controlled by the state. India's socialism is, however, a democratic socialism and not a communistic socialism. For the purpose, the preamble has combined both the words communistic socialism. For the purpose, the preamble has combined both the words socialism and democracy in the preamble.